people, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the pen tool. If you don't see it over here, it's because you see this thing right here? That's where it is. So you'll click on it, and there's lots of other ones, and then I'll click pen. So we have a lot of, well, not really a lot of blacks here, but they seem to make sense, right? So first of all, I want to start with not just the cat I'm going to be drawing with. So I'm going to delete the cat. Then I'm going to go and choose a sprite. Ooh, this would make a great paintbrush. So let me go to costumes and edit it first. First we're gonna make this a little smaller, maybe 50. No, 75 is good. And then we're gonna put, when green flag clicked, back to pen down. So that means like we put the pen down on the paper. And then set pen color to whatever color you want. I'm gonna choose purple for now. Purple. And then set pen size to, let's say, let's try 50. And then now we're gonna put it forever. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. Go to mouse pointer. Move 10 steps and go to mouse pointer. Ooh, oopsies. Alright, let's try that again. It's drawing it. It's a little too big though. Let's make this smaller. Oh, and I forgot. So when we start up again, it's gonna have the same screen. So we're gonna go back to pen and put erase all. Now we have some of these over here. Change pen color by 10. I wonder how this works. Five. Ooh, that's cool. So maybe if I put a forever around this and snap it on. So we have here is a perfect drawing tool. So you can draw whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching.